Here we go. Right, so sweating hot. We're going to go do some kayaking into the mangroves, but first thing I'll get me a little snack, maybe a little beverage, and then yeah, we're going to go do a bit of kayaking in it and see if we don't drown. It's a bonus if you don't, but we shall see. Right, in a bit. So stop for a little snack, maybe beer, grab a bottle of water for the mission, and look at that view out there. Look, mate. That's wicked, isn't it? Thank you. Can I have a kingfisher, please, mate? Small. Okay. Thank you.
And you want a glass?
Huh?
You want a glass?
Yeah, please. Oh, no, it's okay. No glass, it's fine. Because I'm a go like that, you see. Right, I'm going to check out the menu, see you in a sec. Right, so lunch done. A little beer. Some chicken fried noodles. You can't go wrong with chicken fried noodles, can you? Let's face it. So we're going to do some kayaking, see where we can go. Hopefully we don't die, because I swim like a constipated brick. So yeah, we'll see it go now, shall we? Bloody hell, it's so hot, it's unreal. Hopefully it don't happen. Look at that bird, look, it's like a vulture. It's like, oh, this geezer's going to die, I'm going to eat his liver. Ready to go. Little kayak. Let's see, I'm going to tuck you in here for now and see what the deal is. Didn't bring my strap, so you have to pull up there. Hopefully you can see everything. I'm like a pirate. I'll leave these here, innit? Alright, sitting there, feet in that bit. Oh. Here we go. Thank you. Let's go, yo. Fucking kayaking, mate. Look at that. I am kayaking. I am like a ninja warrior. Huh? I don't know what you're saying, but let's go, yo. I don't know how deep this is, but I don't really want to fall in. Oh, look at me go! There's people over there. Let's go over there, because they can save me if I fall in. There's my bag. I'm knackered already. Oh man. Look at me go! Look at me go! I'm like a fucking Olympian. Let's see how deep it is. Oh god, I ain't too worried. It's about a foot deep, if that. But mate, my legs are aching. I'm even using my legs, but we'll see. Let's go a bit faster. He said by the bridge is deep. Go on, boy. Could you do it? Mate, I am knackered already. What the fuck is this about? And I've got to get back. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm knackered already. I've got to get back yet still. But yeah, lovely. It's over that way. Let's go, yo. Alright, let's go for it. Oh, let's go to the shade. Let's go to the shade. You've got to remember, I'm not 20 anymore. I've got a mind of a 20-year-old, but body of a 90-year-old. Let's get in the shade, boy. Oh, that's hard work, isn't it? Let's face it. In 32 degree heat, what feels like 37. This really ain't the way forward. I'm not that kind of man fam anymore. As they will tell you, blood. Oh mate, there's rocks and shit. Fuck off. Ugh. But it's under shade under it, which is a lot better. You know what? I'm chewing a bit of that food. God, my belly is like going to explode under this. But I've got to have it tight, because if I fall in, I may droon. No one wants to droon, no? So I'm going to stay in the old shade and let's take it from there. But yeah, there we go. Just about to collide with some shit, so let's get out of there. There's other people over there. Oh, what is that? It's deeper here, look. Oh. Right, so here is deeper than my oar. So you do not want to go in. Just stay to the edge. And stay in the shade. Let's go. Let's be adventuroso. Oh no, you can't. You can't, you can't. It's blocked off by trees and that. Okay. Let's not go in there. You can't get in there. Oh, my legs. I'll be catching up to these like I'm like a ninja. Like a ninja. They've been up here for ages. I should be a fucking Avenger, man. Paddle man. This would be my secret weapon. Paddle man. So do I, man. Here comes Paddle man. Just slap the shit out of the Hulk with a paddle. Go on, brother. Go on, bruv. Oh, look at you. You're an Olympian, mate. Fucking Olympian. Go on, boy. Go on, boy. If I see a crocodile, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to ninja the fuck out of it. Well, if I see a crocodile, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run over to one of these and dash them in the water and go, there you go, leave me alone, I'll fed ya. Look at this, look, I'm hard. Fucking hard as nails, mate. Hard as fucking nails. Go on, bro. Go on, geezer. Go on. We've had enough kayaking. I'm knackered. I think it's time to cut out. Look at this, look, 360 mate. 180 even. Right, let's splurt back, shall we? Enough of the Olympian business. You know, I'll save my energy to save the world when aliens attack. I'm sure you want me to save energy for aliens attacking rather than kayaking around this shit. Let's get in the shade, boy. It's gonna take me forever innit, to get back. That's the thing, when you do these kind of things, it's alright going out, it's quite cool. You get all the way fucking back. Absolutely knackered. Get some shit. Get some. That's it. Whew. Oh, it's a little bit of shade. must be for Essex. Oh, here we go. Back on track. Fucking hell. And if I take no notice. Yeah, mate. You pull me in. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I'm finished. Literally. That's right. I'm literally finished. Oh. Yeah. Gives 500. There you go, thank you. Cheers, mate. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. That's fucking hard work. Unless you're some kind of don kayaker, leave it alone, mate. Leave it alone. Oh, mate, my groin. Not my groin, but you know the muscles like there and there. Look, I'm pissing myself now as well. But I hope that video come out right. I'll edit it down and see if there's some decent footage. But yeah, this is my walk back to the hotel. I'll go back to the hotel, put some dry shorts on, and I think I need some paracetamol. My nuts are in a bit of pain, so we'll do that and see what's occurring next. There you go. Agonda walk activity. See you later.